Hi friends, my name is Gopi Krishna. Today I want to discuss about the what is the definition of the transformer, what is step up transformer, what is the step down transformer. Okay, what is the definition of the transformer? Transformer converts the power from one circuit to the another circuit without changing frequency. That means it transfers the power from one circuit to the another circuit, but frequencies never changes, but voltage and currents are changes. The main function of the transformer is to increase or decrease the voltage, or increase or decrease the current. That is the main function of the transformer and also main aim of the transformer. In transformers we are having the primary winding and secondary winding. What is primary winding and what is secondary winding? If you apply the voltage at these terminals, this is called the primary winding, and if you take the output voltage at these terminals, that means load voltage, this is called the secondary winding. So what is primary winding? The terminals at which connected to the applied voltage is called the primary winding. The terminals at which output voltage is taken, that is load voltage is taken, is called the secondary winding. Okay, next we are having the different types of transformers depend upon the turns. They are step up transformer and step down transformer. If secondary turns are greater than the primary turns, is called the step up transformer. If primary turns are greater than secondary turns, is called a step down transformer. Okay, now see what happens in the step up transformer and what happens in the step down transformer. If you have 10 volts, if you apply the 10 volts to the primary winding, it increases the 30 volts at the secondary winding. The voltage how much is increased from primary to secondary, it depends upon the number of turns in the secondary. If you have more number of turns in the secondary, it may increases to 60 volts, further 90 volts. The amount of increasing voltage depends upon the number of turns in the secondary winding. It is called the step up transformer. Step up transformer increases the voltage from primary winding to secondary winding. Next, what is step down transformer? If you have 30 volts at primary winding, it decreases the voltage to 10 volts at secondary winding. That means it decreases the voltage from primary to secondary. And how much voltage decreasing from primary to secondary is depends upon number of turns in the secondary. That means N2. If you have less number of N2 turns, it decreases more voltage, maybe 5 volts. If you have again less than N2 turns, it may decreases to 1 volts. So from this what you understand, step down transformer decreases the voltage at secondary terminals, that is output terminals. Step up transformer increases the voltage at output terminals. Depend upon our requirement, we are using the step up transformer and step down transformer. These transformers are mainly used in distribution and transmission of the power from generating station to the consumer level. In the distribution and transmission of power, we have to increasing and decreasing the voltage. At that time these transformers are mainly used. Thank you for watching.